That video right there, I generated it for free. No subscription, no expensive GPU, no API credit, just free Kaggle account. In this video, I'm going to show you what ComfyUI is and how to deploy it on Kaggle under 5 minutes and how to generate your own AI video completely free. Let's go. ComfyUI is node-based interface for running AI image and video generation model locally or on the cloud. Instead of simple text box, you get a visual workflow editor where you connect nodes together like a flowchart of AI. Each node does one job, and this one loads the model, this one takes your text prompt, and this one runs your generation. This is the one saves the output, and you can see exactly what's happening at every step. Why does this matter? Because you can customize every part of your pipeline. The community has thousands of pre-built workflow you can just drag and drop in, and it supports all the latest open source model for images, video, and even audio. The best part, it's completely free and open source and no subscription required. Now ComfyUI runs these AI model on GPU, which most people don't have on their laptop. That's where the Kaggle comes in. Kaggle is free data science platform by Google. Every week you got 30 hours of free GPU compute. That's a real NVIDIA T4 GPU just for having an account. No credit card, no trial period. It's reset every week. We are going to use Kaggle notebook environment to run ComfyUI in the cloud and access it from the browser using a public URL. Let me show you how exactly that can be done. Okay, let's see how to configure your ComfyUI in your Kaggle account. So first you need to create an account if you don't have already. After logging to your account, you need to make sure that you verify your phone. So you go to the setting and you come here, phone verified. So you need to just give your phone number and it require one OTP validation, and once you've done that, your account will be verified, your phone will be verified. And this is required to use the GPU, to enable the GPU in your notebook. Okay, and once it is done, the next step is you need to create a notebook. So you can click on create notebook. And this is your environment where you will write or download or configure your ComfyUI. And before you write any code, you may need to make sure that you have enabled the GPU. So if you go to the setting and the escalator, you see right now this notebook is not using any GPU. So I need to click here to enable it. Okay. So once you've done that, now you see your GPU is enabled for this notebook. And if this option is not enabled for you, make sure you go to this notebook setting on the right hand panel and go to this session option. And you make sure your internet on is checked. Without this, if you switch it off, you will no longer able to use this GPU. I already selected this, it doesn't matter, but you have to make sure this is enabled. Okay. And I can see my GPU over here as well. I can switch to the GPU 100, P100 or T4 too. So you need to make sure you use T4 to run this image video generation model. Okay, so after this you need to use some code to basically download the ComfyUI and configure it. So I have already one notebook ready that I can show you here. So this is all the code that you, once you're ready with your notebook with the GPU and all that stuff, then this is the code you need to run. So you need to install the ComfyUI and its dependency. These are the codes. I will share that code in the comment. And this is the this will run and it will install the ComfyUI for your notebook. And after that, I already run this, all these things. So you can see this is once it's done, it will download all the ComfyUI, config manager and all that stuff. And this will create these folders for you, and you can see it's just cloning the repository from the ComfyUI. Okay, and the next step you need to do is configure the Cloudflare. This is, you can use ngrok as well. I'm using Cloudflare to create a tunnel. So you need to make sure that you download into this folder. So this all code will be I'll share this code with you. You don't need to worry about it. I just need to but just still need to understand what this does. And the second, this is the next part is we are starting the ComfyUI. So you just run this process and under this port, and once this started, so my one, this is already running. You can see here, it must have said somewhere, yeah, you can see my GUI is already running on this. Now the next thing is we cannot access this URL, localhost URL, or this 0000 URL. You need some something to run. That's why we configured the Cloudflare to run this as a public URL. So the next thing is to create tunnel and get that public URL. So this is a code to run that, to connect your localhost URL to the public URL using Cloudflare tunnel. Okay, so this will automatically does that. And that next step is you need to install models. And next step is you need to run have some other dependencies as well. So first one is the checkpoint model. So other things you need: diffusion model, text encoder, and VAE settings. So these are the all models will be downloaded once you run this code. And I have already run these codes, so mine is already downloaded on the corresponding folder. So once you have this code, make sure you have this path, because this is where the ComfyUI look for these specific models. So inside the text encoder, we need text encoder, diffusion models, and all the checkpoints. These are the folder names needs to be in line, so that ComfyUI load all these. Otherwise that node will not work. Okay, so once everything is running, then you will have the URL to ComfyUI. And that is the way to first I have to run somewhere. Okay, so my URL will be, after running this code, I will have this URL. Okay, if you see this URL not working, you see bad gateway, this means your server is not running. So make sure you run this code, this step right here, to start the ComfyUI. And if it is already started, you think it is started, you can rerun this code to make sure it's restarted. And you will see at the bottom, you will see somewhere the process has been started. So now my URL is working. So this is loading the ComfyUI on your Kaggle network. So this is the default workflow. You can ignore it, and we're gonna use a video generation model. This is just image generation model, comes by default, and you can need to download or use a model that I will attach to that comment box as well. So if you click open, so in your somewhere on your location, you will select your text to JSON model. I will attach this model. I'll share you the way from where you can get this model. And you can see here, this is my whole pipeline to generate. So where this is, this might look clumsy at first, because if you're not comfortable with ComfyUI, but this is pretty simple. You don't need to worry about all these nodes. All you need to concentrate on this input. You need to give a text input that will generate your video. Okay, my all nodes are ready. If something is missing for you, for example, your the model, your diffusion model, your any legend, or anything that VAE or anything is missing, it will comes in the red box. So you need to make sure that you downloaded those in my last step, you download all those into the correct folder models. Okay. So now let's try to run this. Okay, so I will give a prompt here: a golden retriever running through a field of sunflowers at sunset, cinematic slow motion. So this is my text prompt. You don't need to worry about anything else. Just click on this run and just wait for everything to be happened. You see these nodes are picking up your prompt. It's loading the model. So it's running the model. Then it's a K sampler will actually process your video. So let's wait this to happen, and this will take a while. So I will pause here, and I will come back once it's generated. All right, so this took 5 minutes to get this video. So quality is not that good, so I maybe need to regenerate it, but this is what it is. It's kind of following the dog is running. And sometimes if you don't like the output, you can try changing your prompt and just try to retry this with your different prompt. It will give the better results. This is not that bad. Okay, so once its video is there, how to download it, you go to the assets and you will see your all generated video here as well, and all you need to do is click on this and you can download, and this will download your file locally. A few things to keep in mind. One, Kaggle session lasts 9 hours max. After that, everything resets. So you always make sure you download your video before closing. Two, you got 30 GPU hours per week. One video may takes maybe 2 to 5 minutes and you can generate a lot. Three, for better quality, try longer video with steps to 20 to 30 sampler node, but it will take more time. 4. ComfyUI Manager lets you install extra custom node for control net, upscaling, face enhancement, and more. Explore it from the menu. I will link the Kaggle notebook template and workflow file in the description so you can get started immediately. So that's ComfyUI on Kaggle. Free AI video generation, no subscription, no expensive hardware. If this helped, you hit like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss my next video where I'll show you how to do image to video and control net guided generation. Drop your best prompt in the comment. I'm curious what you will create. See you in the next one.